Talk number 044. Hands. Modern industry has developed techniques and innovations of immense value. We could almost say there is a perfect machine for every industrial task. But have you ever thought about a machine that can grip, squeeze, twist, pull, push, lift? And even more, it can speak and feel. Yes, I'm serious. Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about the human hand. We use our hands constantly. Almost every second of every day. But most of the time, we don't pay attention to how we use them. Hands are one of the most valuable tools we have. But they are also very vulnerable. Too often, we put our hands at risk. I could tell you countless stories of hand injuries over the years. But for now, I'll mention 4 of the most common ones. First, cuts. They often happen with sharp tools like knives, scissors, axes, and so on. Second, injuries from rotating objects. These include machines with spinning blades or rotating ovens. Third, puncture injuries. Screwdrivers, awls, corkscrews, nails, there are many sharp tools. And fourth, crushing injuries. Who here has never smashed a finger with a hammer? Empower the supervisor to pause and allow for shared experiences. Even a small cut on a finger can be painful and very inconvenient. Our hands are always exposed to danger. Every year, thousands of hands and fingers are injured. Many are even lost, due to work or non-work accidents. Hand injuries are the second most common type of workplace accident. In our own plant, as you know, some of these accidents have happened. To prevent them, let's remember. Always use safe procedures when using your hands. Keep them away from pinch points. When handling materials, hooking slings, pushing carts, or using saws and machines. Never put your hands inside moving machinery. To fix, oil, or adjust anything. When handling rough materials, use proper gloves. Remember, one type of glove is not suitable for all tasks. Never wear rings or bracelets near moving parts. They can easily get caught. If someone gets injured, no matter how small the injury, seek first aid immediately. A bit of ointment and a bandage may be all that's needed. But even a small scratch, if left untreated, can lead to infection or even gangrene. And sometimes, the loss of a hand or an arm. All because of a simple scratch. So please, remember. Our hands are amazing tools. They let us work efficiently, effortlessly, and often automatically. We must protect them and treat them with care and respect.